Social video is a big, complex environment, and it moves fast. It can be hard to anticipate trends and act on them in both efficient and effective ways. And without the tools to navigate it, you can easily be left behind. As the global leader in social video intelligence, Tubular wants to make sure you're set up to thrive this year. Today, we'll share the 5 areas in social video where you can focus your strategy to link efforts to sales, move faster, and increase your ROI. First, keep up that pace. Tubular data shows that trending sounds have a 2-week window from origin to peak before their popularity starts to drop off. This means that to leverage a trend while it's still relevant, you need early access to what's trending before it peaks. Second, be prepared for the influencer marketing influx. Influencer-created content is watched 13 times more than media and brand-created content, with an average of 10 trillion views per month. Tubular estimates that influencer-created content will undergo a 4x projected growth into the coming year. Smart marketers will be equipped with the right tools to understand the complexities of choosing the right influencer, as brand partnerships are expected to soar. Third, use virtual communities to support positive change. Do you know the charities and causes your social audience supports and the impact your channel could create? With Tubular, you can easily see the sites your audience visits to ensure you cultivate a loyal community while ensuring alignment with brand values. Fourth, maximize your engagement with innovations in augmented reality and virtual worlds as adoption and scale is projected for growth. Tap into social video to understand the business signals that identify new and lasting trends. In the past year, 14.8 billion videos on the topic of AR and VR have been uploaded, which is a 38% growth year over year. As AR and VR become more accessible for consumers, a new market is emerging that cannot be overlooked. And 5, the future of search is in social. Social search emerges as a new key tactic to directly connect social audience behaviors to offline conversions and outcomes. As audiences turn to platforms to answer their most pressing questions, experienced marketers like you can use it to prove ROI and identify new content strategy goals and opportunities. For detailed examples of each defining strategy for 2023 and more information on how you can navigate the fast-paced growth in social video, download Tubular's latest insights today.